Are you dreaming of watching the FIFA World Cup 2026 live from the stadium? Then don't make the mistake of buying tickets from random websites. Here's exactly how and where you can book your FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets safely. The FIFA World Cup 2026 will be hosted across the United States, Canada, and Mexico, making it the biggest FIFA World Cup ever. If you want official tickets, the first step is to create a FIFA account on FIFA's official website. FIFA releases tickets in different sales phases, so registering early is extremely important. Once ticket sales open, you'll be able to apply for tickets through FIFA's official ticketing platform. Depending on demand, some tickets may be sold through a lottery-style draw, while others may be available on a first-come, first-served basis. You can choose from different ticket categories, including single-match tickets, team-specific tickets, and visa requirements for the country you'll be visiting. Remember, a match ticket does not automatically guarantee entry into the United States, Canada, or Mexico. Also, be very careful of scams. FIFA advises fans to buy tickets only through official FIFA channels. Avoid social media sellers, unofficial websites, or anyone claiming to have guaranteed tickets. So, if you want to experience the excitement of FIFA World Cup 2026 live, create your FIFA account, follow official ticket announcements, and book only through official FIFA platforms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more FIFA World Cup 2026 updates.